Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HMD Skyline and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do it, open calendar application, find it and open it from your from your settings, from your menu, it's there. And in it we must change view for a month to be daily and tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 22. There is this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can add this event to our group on Gmail member or something like that. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, in which time in this day, or we can set it is all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. We have some option. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of it, notification to that maybe 1 week before at 9, and you can add more than one. We can change color which we see in our calendar, add description to that and attachment. After you set all you need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!